Airbnb of Vermont. Picture a vacation rental with a host.
Right to that spot.
Yeah.
So they can smell out. They can't smell it no more.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Idiot.
Écoute, on le savait que c'était la OG.
Non, ça c'est trash.
Oui.
No te estoy diciendo que hagas esto, pero te estoy hablando de no te estoy...
Oh, este se va a sacar la foto. No. Pregúntate por qué estamos todos yendo a esta velocidad. ¡Ja! Lo paró al final.
В итоге стоят там 3 или сколько?
You're on camera, mate. Don't be a dickhead. You're on camera. Get out of the lane, you muppet. Alpha Golf Charlie 994. Muppet car.
Yet nothing seemed to work. She'd always been fat, always would be. She often wondered why Roger had married her. He was a handsome man. From the beginning, she could not understand why he wanted her. After a while, it was obvious he didn't want her. He simply stopped coming home at night. Dixie was the one bright spot in Margaret's life. Her younger daughter was already obese at age 5, single lost cause. But Margaret would do anything.
Oh!
But the more Margaret clung, the more Dixie resented it. She became more demanding, throwing tantrums and screaming about her mother's weight. The doctors could do nothing to help Margaret. They said she was manic amphetamines. The last time Margaret was in the hospital, they gave her electroshock treatment. And now, with Roger gone and Dixie always running away, after a few frantic months in Vegas, Dixie took off for Los Angeles. It's the same story as Vegas. She was promised cars.
That was some my guy.
Well, she had ridden in a lot of cars, but the good times were few and far. 7 months later, he killed his wife. Marriage.
No signal there to that lane.
Dixie's husband was a weak and passive oaf. He could not get his own way to
5 Tango November Delta 239.
By the time the baby was 6 months old, marriage was now, Roger wanted Dixie so sick, Margaret's life seemed to be falling apart. Dixie finally told her mother how Roger had sexually abused her. Before Roger left,
Again?
it was all about his mother.
Again?
Despite everything,
Same guy.
he still missed her. He was alone, just like she was. It was time, Dixie realized, to do something about the plight of his self-destructive family. Or at least
5 Tango November Delta 239.
the first priority.
Same dude. Not even on his phone. He's just. And now he's brake checking that truck there in the middle. Wow.